Today, we will talk about losses and reality of trading. You will understand that whatever you do, there will be some losses no matter what. It is just inevitable. You must learn how to deal with losses. If you are good to go, let's start now. When I was looking at this number one daily top gainer coin, the Orca coin, I noticed a great price action. In the daily chart, price was being pushed by this large daily imbalance. And at the top, we have these great liquidity points, previous week high and the previous month high. So in my mind, I had a great reason to long this coin. I have this bullish bias on this coin. Then, of course, what helped me a lot was the momentum layout. If you notice, the early rally started right here at the multi imbalance top area. Price ignited there, pushed like crazy upwards, almost hunted the institutional liquidity points above. So, in my mind, this was the repetitive pattern. I expected the same thing happen one more time. This multi-level imbalance area above was really interesting. I was expecting the exact same price action like the below. Looking for a big push upwards again to hunt all those liquidity above. When I opened the 5-minute time frame on the left, I have noticed two things. First, the support and resistance flip location with the previous day high amplifier. And secondly, our classic multi-level imbalance location above. So, all in all, I had these two significant price action locations to trade. Two trade chances. So, what did I do? I jumped the trade with a yo-yo entry in the first place, without any stop loss. I had the mental stop loss in my mind. And secondly, I had this limit order set right below, at the support and resistance flip location, just right around the previous day high point. In the end, I managed to create this average price, but the price was so weak. It did not do what I want to do at first. I did not have a full loss here. When the price popped above a bit, I had to cut the trade with around 2% loss. So, what is the aim of this video? What are the lessons we need to take here? First of all, every single strategy in the world will not work all the time. Some days strategies fail and some days they work. Every trader in the world loses money. There's no exception. There's no trader who keeps winning every single day. It is highly unlikely. And lastly, cutting a loss may feel bad at first, but after all, you will be losing some money. But you must get used to this feeling. Cutting a loss is the only way to save your account in the long run. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you